Now, we start off with our eggplant, a beautiful eggplant, and we dig a gentle hole here, and we pop the eggplant just in there.
This is a nectarine tree.
Bring him into the garden because he's good at tilling, turning the soil over, gently aerating it, plus plopping in the ground to fertilise it. He'll possibly help me in the... Very young at the moment, so we want the eggplant to nursemate it, to give it some shade against the afternoon sun. So we're going to put... And Gemma, let's go down and say hello. Hey, Sarah, Gemma, how sprinkle this all with blood and bone and chook manure, just like that, around the edge. And we're going to give it a good water. Little beneficial ducky, quackity quack quack.